Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our today's episode. Today, we are going to be sharing with you a top number one trick that you can use to solve division of fraction, addition of fractions, as well as subtraction of fraction. We are going to be using three use cases for this tutorial, after which we are going to leave behind some questions which you can solve using the applied strategy which we are about to share with you. To begin with, we want to start with division of fraction. So the first use case is 12 divided by 4 or 12 over 4 divided by 1 over 4, which to apply the strategy, we are going to use the technique of cross multiply and divide by the other side. In other words, we are going to do cross multiply on this side and divide by the cross multiply on the other side. So we are going to begin with 12, as you can see here, and multiply by 4, divided by 4, and multiply by 1. So this will be the same as 12 times 4 divided by 4 times 1. 4 times 1. It will be the same as 12 times 4 is going to give us 48, as you can see here, divided by 4. So this is the answer in fraction in this case. So we are going to use the next method in the case of addition of fraction. So we have this question here, 9 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. In this case, it's a different technique, but still the same strategy being applied. But of course, here we are going to see the small additive that we are going to add here. For addition of fractions, what we are going to do is to still use the same strategy of cross multiply, like this, like 9, as you can see here, 9 times 2 plus 2 times 1, as you can see here, but after which we are going to divide by the multiple of the denominator. So this is the application when we are using addition of fraction. To express this, as we have explained, is going to be 9 times 2, as you can see here, 9 times 2 plus 2 times 1, 2 times 1, as you can see here. Then we are now going to divide by the multiple of the denominator, which is 2 times 2. So now we are going to express it as 9 times 2 is going to give us 18, plus 2 times 1 is going to give us 2, divided by 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is simply 18 plus 2 is 20 over 4. So this is the answer in fraction, and this is the case of addition of fraction. So to repeat or to make a recap, we are going to use 9 by 2 plus 2 times 1 divided by the multiple of the denominator. Now we are going to move to the next use case, which is subtraction of fraction. So in the case of subtraction of fraction, we have this fraction to subtract, which is 6 over 7 minus 1 over 3. In this case, we are still going to use same strategy. We are going to cross multiply like this and minus, and now divide by the multiplication of the denominator. In other words, we are going to say 6, as you can see here, times 3 minus 7 times 1 divided by the multiple of the denominator. This will be the same as 6 times 3, as here we are going to say 6 times 3 minus 7 times 1, 7 by 1, divided by 7 times 3, which is the multiple of the denominator. In this case, it's going to be the same as 6 times 3 is 18, minus 7 times 1 is 7, divided by 7 times 3 is 21. So in this case, we are going to have this, as you can see here. So the fraction is going to be 18 minus 7, which is going to be 11. So it is 11 over 21. So this is the answer of this case. So this is the strategy when it comes to subtraction of fraction. Now we have 3 problems to share with you, and we would like that you go through it to solve these questions and try to comment the answer below. So the first case here is going to be 7 divided by 8, or 7 over 8 divided by 1 over 10. You are going to solve this using the strategy we have shared with you. So the next question in our list is going to be 15 divided by 6 plus 1 over 4. You are still going to use the same strategy for addition to solve this question, and you are going to comment the answer below this video. And the next, 1/4 minus 4/5 is equal to. We are also going to use this for the subtraction strategy. Then comment the answer below this video. So thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also enable the notification bell icon so as to be the very first to receive new post notifications and updates whenever we create a new video or tutorial. And see you again in our next episode. Bye bye.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town.